Dr. Sharad Kohli, there's macroeconomics that happens and then there's budgeting that happens in our houses. You make a grocery list and by the end of the month, you start asking, do I really need this? So in the light of those concerns, your big takeaways are from these reforms.
Good afternoon, Ishita. Good afternoon to the viewers of News 9. Well, indeed, I think it's going to make a lot of difference to the household. Me and my research team, we did a back of the envelope calculation on the impact of the household budget. So somebody earning a salary of, let's say, 100,000 rupees a month, 1 lakh rupees a month, is spending on the groceries about 40,000. When I say groceries, I include all the kitchen items, ghee, paneer, doodh, and all masalas, dal, rice, wheat, everything. I also include some of the toiletries, your shampoos and your soaps and so on. So you spend about 40,000 rupees, a family of 4 or 5 people. To them, a back of the envelope calculation says about a difference of 4 to 5,000 rupees a month. Now, typically, what does a person do with this amount? You would either save it, well, the chances of saving are only 20% because my economic survey says 80% of the people, when they're used to a budget, they end up spending in the same budget. So this 4,000 rupees, they are either going to buy more of the stuff that they buy, or they'll buy some of the stuff which they were not able to buy earlier. So this is what is going to lead to boost in consumption. And Ishita, this has got a three-tier benefit. One tier benefit to the consumers, improves their standard of living, improves their consumption. They can reach out to more items which they were not able to reach out earlier. Second tier of benefit comes to the registered dealers. There are about 1.5 crore GST registered dealers in this country at the moment. They will find a boost in their sales. The ease of compliance will come. They will get their refunds quicker. Registration becomes easier. Startups, it becomes easier for the startups because they'll be able to get registration in 3 days now. The third tier is the government tier. Now, Arthur Laffer curve says that every time taxes are cut, you may find a temporary dip in the tax collection, as the gentleman in your office, in your studio was saying. But over a period of time, this bump is taken care of by the boost in demand, increase in compliance. So effectively, this is going to be offset. 48,000 crores is indeed not a very big amount, but even this is going to be offset over a period of time as the demand catches up. People are going to buy more and more of stuff. So this will boost the GDP. This will boost production. This will expand the capacities of the factories. This will raise the bottom lines and top lines of companies, provide impetus to the MSMEs, and ease the standard of living of a common man.